In this video, I'll show you how to remove the sale price in WooCommerce. And as an example, let's take a look at the simple product on my site, Gray Sofa. As you can see, the regular price is $500, but it's currently on sale for $300. Let's assume we'd like to remove the sale price. At first, let's log into WordPress dashboard, then hover on products, and then select all products. Now locate the product in question, in my case is this one, Gray Sofa, and then select Edit. Once the product editor loads, at the top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then set the check mark for the product data. Now scroll a bit down till you find the product data section. As you can see in my case, this product is a simple product. Then click on General tab, and that's where you can edit the sale price. As in my case, I would like to remove it, so let's highlight the current sale price, then press Delete on keyboard, then scroll up, and then click on Update. Let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the product page. As you can see, the sale price was removed and now it shows the regular price. Alternatively, if you have products with multiple variations, like in my case is this one, coffee table. This product comes in two different sizes, medium and large. Both of them are on sale. To remove the sale price, the process is very similar. Once again, go back to the WordPress admin, then hover on products, then select all products. Let's locate the product, coffee table, then select Edit. Now scroll down till you find the product data section. As you can see, it's a variable product, then select variations. Let's start off by making changes to the medium variation. Then click on Edit, then scroll down once again, and then look for the sale price section. Let's highlight everything was in the field, then press Delete on keyboard, and then let's repeat the same thing for the large variation. Once again, locate it, then select Edit, highlight everything was in the field, then press Delete, and then click on Save Changes. Then scroll all the way to the top and then click on Update. Now let's go back to the products page. Let's try refreshing it. Okay, let's take a look. Let's select the medium variation. As you can see, it only shows the regular price. And same thing on the large variation right here. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.